So we was thinking about, you guys got 15s, huh? Upgrading to some 15s.
That's just the start.
I think that's tofu up in there, huh? Oh, yeah, that's some white people stuff. You can't get around ugly, man. You have a woman with the nicest body, but that bug. You got a refrigerator in here? This your refrigerator? Yeah, please. Don't do that. Oh, no! Let me down!
What's up, bro?
What's the purpose of that?
What? Huh?
Lights flickering and all that.
Oh, I saw yours on, so I thought I'd copy.
No, yeah. I don't even have those type lights, man.
What?
It's this baggery right there. You know what I mean? I would give it to my girl. Set an appointment to get an oil change.
Yeah. You want to leave it now?
No, I'll bring it back. I think we got to upgrade to 15s, man.
Yeah, it ain't loud enough, is it? You okay? You parking in that handicap spot, man.
I got my handicap sticker.
Oh.
For those who didn't know.
Can I see it? Can I see it?
Oh, yeah, here it is.
Yeah. All right, that was good enough. Good enough. And I'm I'm his caretaker provider, so you know that's how I get away with it.
I follow you guys, man.
What's up with your brother?
Bro, I follow. Look, this joint is sick. Y'all station is killing the game.
Oh, we appreciate that.
And look, I be following. I seen this right here. What? Can't nobody mess with y'all out there. Y'all
I appreciate that.
Thank
Y'all
you.
something different. I love
Thanks to
y'all.
Reflections. Thanks to Reflections. What's your piece of that gum, boy?
Yes,
It's
sir.
50 megs.
Let me tell you something. To hear your story, bro, how you came out and you put that thing down,
Well,
a lot of people can't do that, man.
Well,
you know, their past
well.
predict their future, bro.
I'm still in awe
You know,
of how it all went down and going down, you know. You got all the knowledge we got in a book, and
Exactly.
it's easy
That's
to
what I
read.
saw.
It
That's
ain't
what I
one of
saw.
those, you know how these people get to talking all that mojo and the philosophy of the analogy of the shut up, nigga, give it to me layman's terms.
Yeah.
So I just pride myself on being like that. Even when I was a personal trainer. You
Hey,
got these personal trainers, the anatomy of the physiology of the quadriceps is, bro, pump it and get on and eat something clean.
yeah, I did, man.
What's
John
up, guys?
Myers. I'm the
Khalid.
trainer for
Nice
Kicker.
to- Oh, nice.
Tracy, I'm the regional. How are you?
Nice, good. How you doing?
Randy.
Nice to meet you, Randy. Oh, what's up, Henry? I know you. So we was thinking about, you guys got 15s, huh? Upgrading to some 15s.
That's just the start.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, you guys got the big.
they got everything,
We got
man.
shit
that
coming
right?
down the pike.
Yeah, we got some 18s coming out by the end of the year.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah,
I've seen them.
You're gonna have to
Oh.
beef up the suspension on this. We put them in because
Oh, yeah?
Bigger, but you
I
can
mean
do some 8.
the 12s weigh 68 pounds.
Yeah,
Oh,
we
yeah.
have a huge booth at
every
SEMA.
year,
Yeah,
yeah.
you guys should come out for that. That's a
Well,
big,
oh, we've
beautiful
been
ad.
wanting to come
Yeah.
forever.
Yeah,
Just
definitely.
haven't had the opportunity.
Yeah.
Then we're
Because
doing
I haven't been one yet.
Really?
No.
Really?
I
Well,
You
haven't
can spend
been to
2
SEMA.
days outside looking at cars.
Well, oh, I know.
And not even going inside.
Well, God, that's them?
Yeah, that's them.
Oh my God.
That's not the 18 yet, and that's
Right.
completely unreleased. But 2,000 watts continuous all day long,
Is that right?
and absolutely just hammer. So no one's ever built a sub that has that much travel and that much output. And it's all
That would
serviceable.
fill this whole thing, though,
Yeah,
Oh.
it probably would. I mean,
Uh-huh.
we can make it happen. Well, actually, we could probably sneak a quad box in there.
Yeah, they'd lose a back seat though.
That's all right. We make a box that's got 4 of the L7R 12s.
Oh,
It's called
is
a
that
quad
right?
box.
We do a
Yeah.
quad box that will fit in here and it would hold
Right out of the box, literally, the box right out of the box, 1 amp, 150 dB. 150. I mean,
So how are they placed?
they just firing straight up.
Oh, they go straight right. I had something like that in my hatchback Mustang. Oh,
You know,
okay.
It might fit, Tracy. I mean, it may actually reach.
Oh
I'll
wow.
open up an image
unless
of it. It's actually tuned at 31 hertz. It's all cross brace, 9-ply birch plywood, acoustic fill inside, just to smooth it out, make it sound good. I mean, Steve's all about sound. Doesn't matter how loud it is, it's got to
Right.
sound good.
All right, exactly.
But that's the footprint of it. It weighs 163 pounds.
Yeah, it's like a person up in here
Yeah.
with me. Where's home
Stillwater,
base?
Oklahoma. The Kickers.
Oh, you in Oklahoma?
Oklahoma, yeah.
Wow.
Yep. Next year will be 50 years in business.
And you guys, you stay with the times.
Yeah.
That's the main thing.
Well, I'd love to have you come out sometime because the R&D department, with the whole downstairs, if you ever seen our building, it's just full of engineers. There's acoustical engineers, OE engineers that work. You know, we do stuff.
That'd be an awesome
Ford,
video to
Chevrolet,
show how.
Oh my God.
Wow.
So we got OE division, we got acoustical divisions, we got electronics division, so it's all in
Wow. Time for an oil change. What we get? 1,200 miles on that. The worst on oil was the Porsche Panamera.
That's what you were
I used
saying.
to have to keep oil in the trunk. I think it was like 1,200 miles.
Damn.
So yeah, we gonna get an oil change on magnet.
Oh, magnet. You're forgetting the first part with it.
Excuse me. Hole magnet?
Yeah.
I don't want no holes. Holes be nasty, bro. The chrome one.
Chrome?
Magnet one.
What? The new
jailbreak.
Hellcat.
Yeah.
Jailbreak. You
Yeah.
guys haven't got one?
I haven't
You
seen
haven't got
one yet.
one? What are we dealing with today? How hot is it today, Hype?
I bet it's 97 right now.
You say 97?
Yeah, I got money on 97.
Let's see.
Over
Santa
and under?
Clarita. 93. Look at the VVS. Over here at Hope. Yeah, we eating healthy today, man.
Are we?
Oranges, pineapples, cucumbers, I think there's tofu up in there, huh? Lord bless it, thank you, amen. Oh, yeah, that's some white people stuff.
Oh, you
right
got
there.
some.
Oh, that's cheese.
Oh, it's cheese? Oh, I wouldn't have did that.
Or something.
I wouldn't have ate that.
Orange, cucumber. Simple first meal of the day. It's one. We eating early today.
That's pretty good though still.
Pineapple. Them pineapples good.
Yeah.
Got me a nice little pink lemonade. And you hungry, go to Whole Foods. Get you a little salad.
Ugly? What's ugly?
Wagoneer.
I don't think so.
Can't get around ugly, man. You have a woman with the nicest body, but that bug,
Yeah.
well, it ain't no ugly no more, as we see on TikTok.
Oh.
Makeup.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, I have seen.
So here we got the Wagoneer, guys. Basic wheels, but we expect you to buy some Forgiatos or AGs or something to put aboard. We in cahoots with all the wheel and rim places. So we put on the ugliest wheels possible so you go out and spend some more money, right? So here we have the side view, rear view mirrors. Classic Grand Wagoneer right there. This right here is a special edition. Only special editions come with the American flag. Walk outside the outside, then I'll take you to the inside. Here we got the elongated lights. As you see right here, you had a quadra drive. That means there's 4 engines in there.
So it's a
Okay, come over
V4?
here. Excuse me?
Is it a V4?
You interrupted my showcase right here.
Sorry.
buddy. All right?
Sorry.
Excuse you.
Sorry.
And right here, let's see, my vision get kind of bad. Series 3. Oh, this is wonderful right here. Look at this. Look at this. This is right up Kylie Muscle Alley with the emblem. It's right up his alley. And it looks like it's kind of off color, and it might be. Let me pop that in a little bit.
Oh, yeah, that's classic.
I don't need you to keep interrupting my showcase.
Sorry.
Man, all right?
Sorry.
Then you come over here, passenger side. Once again, Kylie Muscle would love this. You got your special edition American flag. Look at that.
Oh,
Look at that beauty.
here, do that again.
Look at that
do it
beauty.
again.
What's happening, boy? How you doing? Why you looking tired and like you're
You
on
looking
opiates, nigga?
tired, bro.
You look like
Looking
you're
like
on
a
opiates,
KT
nigga.
over here, man.
That's what
Yeah.
Notice has a scat pack engine.
Oh, yeah, he knew. He was
oh,
getting
yeah,
to
I'm
it.
gonna emphasize that to get thank you for that point. Brown right here with the, ooh, look at that finish, wood finish right there. They got this wood out of Brazil right there, the Alps of Brazil.
Oh, really?
The beige leather with the brown. Audio system in this is impeccable. So here we go. You see we got the big screen right here. You can play whatever you want. Now this vehicle, and this is no messing around, has the best interior any car ever made. It's better than the Maybach, Rolls-Royce Cullinan. You know what I mean? So you have your beautiful finish right here. Pop it up. You got a refrigerator in here. This is your refrigerator. I can leave that in there, keep it cold. Yeah, please. Don't do that in my showcase. All right. Then you have another screen right here. Let's get this going a little bit. You have a huge sunroof. You know what I mean? I gotta take you guys in the back so I can show you the TV. You got the nice glove compartment right here. And once again, this is Kali Muscle thing. This is just the vehicle for him. You see logos everywhere. Grand Wagoneer. Let's get in the back seat. Come, you too, sir. Cameraman. Hard to find good help, I tell you.
Okay.
It's hard to find good help.
All right, I'm back here.
Go ahead, man. There you go.
I'm
So as you see right here, we got the big screens right here already implemented in. Outdoing the Cadillac Escalade by far. You know, look at all this wood here, panel, beige. You have a screen right here.
For what?
Excuse me?
For what? Kids?
For kids, old people like you that, you know, need some entertainment while you're on the road. We have another refrigerator right here.
Damn, another one?
Yourself cold.
That's
yeah.
crazy.
Then we also have another row back here.
Damn, I need to trade in my Trackhawk for this.
Oh yeah, you want to trade it? That
Oh, there's
piece of
another
crap.
sunroof.
You know this has a Scat Pack engine in it, don't you?
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, you want to trade in your little.
You know, that's a camera in the
Scat Pack.
back to see your babies.
Camera in the back to see the babies.
You forgot about that.
What other
There's a screen right there too.
There's a
screen
screen.
on the passenger side? Yeah, screen down there. So this has a total of what, 6 screens? And man, what's the price of this one? Oh, 120. That's cheap for these people out here.
112.
Oh yeah, they not worried about recession or gas prices. Nothing. People watching this video, that's cheap to them. It's impeccable, man. That interior, you know me. The inside is beautiful, but outside, different story. I'm out of here. So here, guys, we had a 6.4.
That's outdoing your Trackhawk.
Hold on, you said it's a Scat Pack engine?
Yeah.
They
Scat
faster.
Pack engine 6.4?
Are they
Yeah,
6.4?
because the Hellcat 6.2 supercharged.
Oh, okay, 6.4. Got the Scat Pack
Outdoing your
engine in
Hellcat.
there. How did the exhaust sound on there? So this got 392 horsepower.
You don't know.
Oh, you gotta do the massage, bro. Have it go the waterfall.
Massage?
Choose the waterfall.
Ooh, I get a massage while I'm driving.
Yes, sir.
Why do I even have a Trackhawk? This is luxury right here.
Ooh, you get a massage while you driving. I'm gonna go to sleep. Ooh, I got
I think
more
this
get
is-
up than the Escalade.
Yeah, this is sport mode.
Oh, it's a sport mode too?
Now you gotta smack that.
No.
Ooh.
You can do a mid delete on this. Probably sound pretty good.
Ooh, and I get the massage. I'm telling you, bro, ain't nothing messing with this interior. No car, man. I've seen another review earlier this year on it.
Why don't you put your thing in the fridge here?
Oh, yeah, put my
Yeah, put it in the fridge.
See, look, Phil. It's a fridge. Feel how cold it is? What? Did you put your hand right there? Look at that. How cold that is.
Oh, back
That
there,
is
yeah, that is
fridge.
cold. That is cold. Okay, yeah. You got a fridge in this thing? Come on, bruh.
Trading in the Escalade. Come on, man. God damn. Well, I'll see you later, big booger.
how
Getting the
big it is?
Wagoneer.
But like, how's it handle? How's that handling?
Handles like
Oh, good.
dream, bro.
It's better than the Escalade.
Yeah, because the Escalade's kind of like
Bro.
top heavy and
Uh-huh.
stuff.
the same people that make the Wranglers made this, so it's gonna have like the best turning radius, the best
Wow.
like handling.
And it's tight.
Oh yeah, that's what I was wondering.
Yeah, don't be jealous. Y'all see this in T, man. They see this, this page in T, they jealous. They all jealous. You see it look on their face?
Yeah, look at him, look at him.
Let's see you walk. Oh, no. Don't be jealous.